What's up, YouTube? Ultimate Driving Machines here. Bryce, because German's at work, and our shifts are different, so that's why this kind of happens. So I'm just sitting around bored right now and wanted to make a video, so I think I'm just going to make a video of cool Subaru sounds and turbo noises and stuff. What's up again? We have got some sound clips and some Uber Eats orders. Got one from Firehouse Subs and one from Christina's Fine Mexican restaurant. Okay. Texas has some baddies, but besides the point, I think this video, instead of just being about sound clips, because I freaking missed a launch and had to redo it, meaning I filmed, like, I forgot to turn the camera on, and I did like 2 launches thinking it was on, so I was like, well crap, I'll just put the camera on, and when I'm going to do some Uber Eats, make some money. Instead of just making it about sound clips, we'll actually have like a point to this video with these guys. You know, I gotta give the people love when they're staring. You know, I don't really care if people are judging, whether they're hating or not. Dude, bird. Whether they're hating or not, I don't really care. I just like to have fun with my car. So if you're looking, you know, give you a little something. But anyway, back to the point. This video is going to be about how it is to Uber in a Subaru that has power and a 6-pack. It only, okay, I say 400 because it probably has 400 crank or more. It has 346 all-wheel horsepower and about the same torque. So, yeah. Oh, there's a cop. Oh. All right, I gotta go deliver this order. All right, who's this? This is for Katie. Leave outdoor. Christina's. Mexico. Send them off with a nice message, letting them know it's there. All right. See, no one's coming. That's what it's like to deliver Uber in a 400 horsepower Subaru with a 6-puck clutch and a 6-speed swap. It's honestly not that bad if you enjoy driving and enjoy the hassle, because this thing, honestly, like when you get big orders and stuff, it's not the most fun because it doesn't have a lot of room and the seats are tilted and stuff, as you can see. So, but it's all right. It's fun because I can rip around and I know how much money I'm making. So if I'm like, if I'm wasting gas, it's not that big a deal if I'm like having fun. But this thing gets pretty good gas mileage if I'm just cruising around, like not beating on it. But which I'm kind of getting that to where I can drive it normal, but it's kind of hard. Oh shit. Man, I hate getting onto service roads and you're thinking that no one's gonna be there, but then people are there. Oh, we got a fucking Charger. See if we can catch up to them. And oh, that's not. Okay, no. I thought it had just the ricer stripes. It actually is a 392. So we're chilling. Listen to the car all the time. When I have radio, so I listen to my phone, like my music and stuff. It's just like whenever I get stuck in traffic and stuff, it just kind of becomes a pain. And whenever I go for long periods of time and I get bored, I start to beat on it, and then I go through more gas. But it rides smooth. It gets good gas mileage. German's texting me right now. He's probably about to get off work. I think he gets off at 7. Actually, let's see. I'm over by his work. Maybe I can surprise. Oh shit! Don't text and drive. Don't. But I just need to. You know, we gotta get in contact with him. You drive with your knee, and you're totally fine. Look at the road. Okay, so he's on his way home. I'm probably gonna Uber another hour or two. Yeah, so this is kind of going to be a rambling video, but whatever. We're having a good time. It's fun because most people enjoy the car. Like, they see me as my license. I have to put my license plate up and missed the turn. It's fun because people will see like my license plate and it says slow wagon, and they're like, if I don't drive it and I'm like driving like my parents' car or something, they're like, oh, I was looking to see the slow wagon. Like, kind of make a joke about it. But when I am driving it, people are like actually like spark up conversation and talk about it and stuff. It's just fun. Good burnout spot off the side of the highway. Y'all ever do that? You're like driving, look over, see like an empty gravel pit or empty patch, and you're like, that could be a sick skid pad, like for real. You always got to be in the mindset of sending it and having a good time. But yeah, so I'm about to deliver this next order, and we'll check back in maybe later, or maybe just end the video. Alright, full send, you already know. Started knocking, had to let out. because one time I had to do community service and pick up a bunch of trash and stuff. I wasn't in jail or anything. I didn't go to jail or wasn't arrested or anything, but I was doing some community service, picking up some trash, and I had to do it here. And it was when I had the BMW. Tried to do some donuts in that field, but the field's way more bumpy than it looks. But yeah, and then all down this road to the right, it was a good stretch of road. They gave me like sections of this town to do for like 5 hours, so I had to go and like pick up trash for like 5 hours. But all the way down that road up here, and then all the way like to the town where I live, or not where I live, like it was in the town next to where I live. So yeah, that's always fun. At the Trusty Steed Chick-fil-A, getting another order. But I've delivered with a stick shift transmission for about 3 years now, since I was like 16, 17. I started delivering, and like pizza here and there, like getting shifts at this place, Enzo's down the street and stuff. Get shifts there and deliver for a night or a weekend, and then now that I'm 19, I can do Uber Eats, so just started doing that. Tunnel! Also uneven, so it was kind of like throwing me off, but U-turn. Oh, let me pull up here. Not gonna make that. Fuck it. Well, that was cool. All right, well now I gotta go get this next order and then probably end the video. Yeah. Alright, well, that's going to be it for this one. So, got some good Subaru sounds, and to sum up the Uber delivery in this thing, it's pretty fun. So, yeah, if you enjoyed this, leave a like. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And till next time, peace.